The race session is at Maple Valley FM 7. Everlasting Apex is P1. Race start. Scrotal Fungus is P2. Aaron Yacht is third. Bot Cloud Surfer 69 is P4. Bot Slippenslide Egaming is 5th. Bot Slippenslide Egaming passed Bot Cloud Surfer 69 for 4th. Bot Illicit 1095 is 6th. Bot Aussie W2002 is 7th. Bot Aussie W2002 lost 7th to Bot Marta Freeze. Bot Indigopit is 9th. Bot Archer 192 is P10, 0.2 behind Bot Indigopit. Bot Anonymous 93 is P11, 0.3 behind Bot Archer 192. Bot Fran Qwerty is 12, 0.3 behind Bot Anonymous 93. Bot Sputnik NZ is P13, 0.2 ahead of Bot Shekimero. Bot Sputnik NZ lost P13 to Bot Shekimero. Bot Zookstercat is 15, 0.2 behind Bot Sputnik NZ. Bot Zookstercat passed Bot Sputnik NZ for 14th. Bot Chubby Boi RJ is 16, 0.1 ahead of Bot Rummy is 13. Bot Rummy Fizz 13 is P17, 0.1 behind Bot Chubby Boi RJ. Bot Sputnik NZ is 17. Bot Tango Ducka TTV is 18th battling Bot Sputnik NZ. Bot Tango Ducka TTV passed Bot Sputnik NZ for P17. Bot Zanyuhina is P19, 0.2 ahead of Bot Madisbury. Bot Madisbury is 20th, 0.3 behind Bot Zanyuhina. Bot Fran Qwerty entering the pits is P22. Bot Madisbury is now 18th. Bot Nox Exodus is P20, 0.1 ahead of Bot Edsauce 21. Bot Edsauce 21 was 1.0 faster last lap. Everlasting Apex entering the pits is 22nd. Bot Knox Exodus passed Bot Mattisbury for 19th. Bot Mattisbury is P20, 0.4 behind Bot Knox Exodus. Everlasting Apex exiting pits. Bot Fran QWERTY exiting pits. The leader has just finished the race. Bot Slip'n'Slide Egaming finished first. Aaron Yacht finished P2. Bot Marta Freeze finished P3. Bot Cloud Surfer 69 finished P4. Scrotal Fungus finished